In today's video, we will be talking about the jaw-dropping honeymoon destinations that will make you say, wow! 6. Tuscany. This is one of the most romantic honeymoon destinations. Escape to a rustic villa or private chateau in the rolling hills of the Tuscan countryside. You can also immerse yourself in the city's architecture and historic sites. There is a lot to see and do here. Take your time and enjoy your Italian getaway, taking in scenery, touring charming medieval towns, and stopping by the many wineries that are scattered across the area. 5. Santorini, Greece. Santorini is a Greek island famous for its whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and stunning views of the Aegean Sea. The island is perfect for those who want a mix of relaxation and adventure. Spend your days exploring the charming villages, savoring local cuisine, or taking a sunset cruise. And don't forget to visit the famous black sand beaches. 4. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is a paradise island in Indonesia that offers a perfect mix of adventure and relaxation. You can spend your days exploring ancient temples, hiking through rice terraces, or surfing the waves. At night, retreat to a private villa and enjoy a romantic dinner under the stars. Bali is also known for its luxurious spa treatments, so indulge in a couples massage to complete your honeymoon experience. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe to this channel and give the video a like. 2. Maldives. The Maldives is a tropical paradise consisting of over 1,000 coral islands. It's famous for its white sand beaches, turquoise lagoons, and stunning marine life. Stay in a private overwater villa and spend your days snorkeling, scuba diving, or simply lounging on the beach. The Maldives is a perfect place to disconnect from the world and connect with your partner. 1. Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast is a picturesque region in southern Italy that boasts some of the most stunning coastal views in the world. It's the perfect place for foodies and wine enthusiasts who want to indulge in local cuisine and sip local wines. Spend your days exploring charming coastal towns like Postiano, Ravello, and Amalfi, or take a boat tour to the famous island of Capri. 1. HOBBITON movie set. HOBBITON movie set is where the beloved film The Lord of the Rings and its prequel, The Hobbit, came to life. It has been hailed as one of the most remarkable movie sets ever created and a must-visit destination for fans of the Tolkien universe. The HOBBITON movie set is located in the rolling hills of the Alexander Farm on the North Island of New Zealand. Here, an entire village was created that looks and feels like it was taken straight out of Middle-earth. The movie set also contains a variety of interactive experiences and activities. You can explore the gardens, visit the Green Dragon Inn, and meet some of the friendly locals who are dressed in period costumes. You can take a guided tour of the set and even have a traditional Hobbit-style breakfast in the Green Dragon Inn. You can also pick up some unique gifts from the local craftspeople who still work and live in the area. A trip to HOBBITON movie set is sure to give you an unforgettable experience. This video was sponsored by FlyCheapDeal.com.